Hello guys, how are you? Well, today we are going to discuss about tense, which is used to explain time, the three time, which means past, present, and future. Well, today we are going to discuss specifically about simple present tense, which is actually one of the English active tenses. Normally there are 12 English active tenses. So one of them is simple present tense. Today we are going to discuss about simple present tense. So when we talk about simple present tense, it has three purposes. Well, it is used to indicate what's always true or what's always real, and also what we normally or usually or repeatedly do. And also we can, of course, sometimes we can also use to indicate what's already programmed or scheduled. You can use also simple present tense for that circumstance. Now let's see about how simple present tense can be used in order to indicate or in order to show in circumstances that are always true or fact, or what everybody knows in common, or what are generally known. So now let's see the first one. It indicates what is always true. For example, milk is white, right? This is what everybody knows in common. No need to say that milk was white or milk will be white. It's unnecessary, right? Of course it was true. It is true now also, and it will be true. So in three tenses, I mean that's time, which means present, past, and future of something which is always true. So we have to use simple present tense, which means that's verb 1, right? No need to use V2, verb 2, or maybe simple future. So that's why we say milk is white, and instead of saying milk was white or milk will be white. So in the same way, you can use another examples like water has no color, right? That's what's commonly known, right? So we don't have to say water had no color, right? It's unnecessary because everybody knows. Of course, it was yesterday's fact or true. Today is also right, or I mean that's true, and tomorrow also it will be true, right? So no need to say that water doesn't have any color, or water had no color. No need to say like that. And also simple present tense can be used to indicate what you frequently do or what you do repeatedly. For example, I usually visit my colleagues. So this is what I usually do. So, or I frequently, or I repeatedly, or I often visit my colleagues. So in order to indicate what you usually, repeatedly, or frequently do, you can use simple present tense, right? And then of course you can also say in the same way, she frequently studies English, right? If she frequently does, well, you can say she frequently studies English, or I repeatedly help my friends or colleagues. Of course you can use so many examples based on this. So what's expected from you here is just whenever your intention is to explain what you do repeatedly, so don't forget to use simple present tense. And then here is the formula, which means that in order to create simple present tenses or examples, you can use this formula. The formula is subject plus verb 1. Don't forget to use verb 1. Plus object. Here object is optional, because for example you don't have to have or you don't have to put this object, which means that unless the verb that we are using is a transitive verb, right? For example, I can simply say that I sleep, right? When I say I sleep, so no need to use any object mean that, right? I may say I sleep now or I sleep here, right? Here and now they are not object. They are not object, right? They are simply giving detailed information regarding where I have to sit and when I have to sleep and where I have to sleep. That's simply to give detailed information. So I think regarding simple present tense, this is all about what I have to say now. I'm sure that if you just follow my lesson, so you will get detailed information regarding English lesson. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I hope you will get many much. I mean, you will get different lessons based on what I've based on this. So don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share my videos. Thank you so much.